Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 5472. This essential IRS document is used by certain U.S. corporations to report transactions with a related foreign person. Specifically, if a U.S. corporation is 25% foreign-owned, it must file this form. It ensures transparency in international business dealings and helps the IRS monitor potential tax avoidance. Understanding its purpose is the first step to accurate completion. Before you begin filling out Form 5472, it's crucial to gather all necessary information. You'll need the complete identifying details of the U.S. reporting corporation, including its employer identification number. Additionally, collect comprehensive information about the 25% foreign shareholder. Most importantly, meticulously document all related party transactions, including their nature and monetary value. To ensure accuracy, Form 5472 is divided into several key sections. Part I requires information about the U.S. reporting corporation, such as its name and address. Part II focuses on the 25% foreign shareholder, asking for their name, address, and country of incorporation. Part III is where you report the specific related party transactions, detailing the type of transaction and the amounts involved. Carefully complete each part. Once completed, Form 5472 must be filed with your income tax return by its due date, including extensions. If the reporting corporation does not have an income tax return filing requirement, you must attach a pro forma Form 1120. It's vital to file accurately and on time, as failure to do so can result in a significant penalty of $25,000 per form per year. Stay compliant to avoid issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.